In this example, we're talking about people visiting a video rental store, often to rent more than one video DVD at a time. The probability of distribution for DVD rentals rental per customer at Video to Go is given in the table below. There's a 5 video limit per customer in this store, so nobody ever rents more than 5 DVDs. We're interested in what is the probability that the customer rents at most 2 DVDs. Well, you'll notice that there's a little bit of missing information in this table. First of all, we have to note that there is no probability given for 3 DVDs. We have a probability of 0.04 that somebody comes to the store and grabs no DVD, that's 4% chance. A 41% chance that they simply rent 1, a 23% chance that they rent 2, and, well, we don't know about 3. So how are we going to find that? Well, one thing that we should note is that all of the probabilities in any probability distribution table should add up to 1.000100%. Clearly, what we have to do right here is to sum up all of our probabilities, 0.04, 0.41, 0.23, 0.06, and 0.04, and subtract that from 1. So first of all, let's get the sum of our probabilities for 0, 1, 2, 4, and 5. I'm going to get my calculator out right now in order to do that. Here it is. And we're going to add 0.04 plus 0.41 plus 0.23 plus 0.06 plus 0.04. That gives us 0.78. So we're going to record that. 0.78. And so the probability for somebody getting exactly 3 rentals is going to be 1 minus 0.78. And that means that the probability that goes in this place is going to be 1 minus 0.08. So let's go ahead and get our 1 minus 0.78, 0.22. So there's our probability, 0.22. But that's not the question, right? We know what P3 is, but we're asked what is the probability that the customer rents at most 2 DVDs. Well, at most 2 DVD means that they could rent 0 DVDs or 1 DVD or 2 DVDs from this rental place. So how do we know? DVDs, not DUDs. They look like duds if that's the case. Maybe the DVDs were duds, but that's a different story. Let's go ahead and figure it out. What are we going to do? Well, we're going to say that the probability that we get 0, 1, or 2 is going to be equal to the probability that somebody rents 0 plus the probability that somebody rents 1 plus the probability that somebody rents 2. Whenever you have mutually exclusive probabilities, as these are, then you can simply add up with the word or, add up all of the probabilities separately. So we're going to add 0.04 to 0.41 to 0.23. And what are we going to get? Well, let's see. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3, that's 8. 0 plus 4 plus 2, that's 6. 0.68, that's our probability that we have at most 2 DVDs rented. That's it. Good luck.